because it's festival today. Meron silang festival today na sineselebrate. Parang celebration daw ng magandang ani. I'm not sure, pero yun yung pagkakasabi ni Abhi. Actually, ano, guys, tanghali. Come on. Go get your jacket. Magandang tanghali sa inyo. Lalabas kami ni Mishka para bumili ng chicken. Kasi may lagnat siya. Kahapon lang ng gabi, nagsimula yung kanyang lagnat. Pero like, 2 days ago, nagsimula yung kanyang sipon. Pero kagabi lang talaga yung lagnat lumabas. And para may sabaw kami, bili ako ng chicken. Kakargahin ko na lang si Mishka kasi may lagnat pa siya or else wala kaming sabaw para sa aming tanghalian. Si Abby kasi, pumasok sa opisina. Though Saturday today, dapat off niya. But again, overtime ulit si Daddy. So, walang bibili ng manok. So, kami talaga ni Mishka. Just wear this. I will just carry you, okay?
What?
Can you walk? Or Mommy will carry you? She wants to walk. Ay, naku. Ang gulo ng bahay namin kasi buong umaga. Sabi lang ni Mishka na I want to be with Mommy. I want to be with Mommy. Buti na lang meron akong gulay. So, manok lang talaga yung kulang. Kailangan namin lumabas. Kahit ito lang, okay na to pang sinabawang manok. Bumili din ako ng atay ng manok. 250 grams lang ito. Ako lang naman kasi yung kumakain nito. Punong-puno ito para hanggang mamayang gabi na namin na ulam. Dagdagan ko ng konting black pepper. Feeling ko kasi parang kulang. Nakatulog na pala yung anak ko doon sa sofa. So, ako na muna yung kakain. Pagising na lang niya. Tsaka ako siya pakakainin. Madami din kasi yung kinain niya kanina na oats. So, okay lang. Tapos may mga snack siya na kinakain. Mga pasado alas 10 naman na yun. Malapit na mag alas 11. Yung pagkain niya kanina ng oats. Kasi yun yung gusto niya. Kagabi oats din siya. Kaninang umaga oats din. Kasi parang yung panlasa niya siguro ba. Kaya gusto kong mag-ano sabaw sana para sa kanya. Yun, nakatulog man. Pagising na lang, tsaka ako pakainin. Ako lang muna yung kakain. Kain tayo. Dahil festival guys, meron nagtitinda ng mga fireworks. Pumunta kami dito para bumili. Para makapaglaro si Mishka ng fireworks. Anyway, medyo okay na yung pakiramdam niya. Hindi na siya nilalagnat talaga. Maybe this is also for Christmas, Han? Christmas and New Year. We can buy also for Christmas and New Year. Daddy, this is too much. Sparklers.
What do you want to? Too much.
Yeah.
How many?
This one.
Chakra.
Chakra.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 piece. What is that?
Only few of these na Han. Sparklers. Dami naman.
ಇದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತಾ
Loose.
You will give.
Oh, they have.
You take two.
Mishi, look. They have.
Which one? This two you take.
What is this one, ano, packet? Han? What is this? Han, what is this? Panda. Han?
This if you get finished. Okay.
Han, what is that panda packet? What's
Small
this?
crackers. Bijli.
Good one. Which one?
Cracker.
Ay, no. I'm scared of that.
ಇದು ಬೇಡ.
You want
Ito yung pop-up, yung tinatap. Ito yung gusto ni Pinoy.
ಇದು ಬೇಡ like bro. You want this?
Sir, big one, sir. This is a big one.
Yeah, this is
Which one?
Okay.
It makes it look like real gun.
Para dito.
Seriously.
Ang daming bumibili ng mga paputok dito ngayon. Parang Diwali lang din. Diwali, Christmas, New Year. Huh? Can I try? Wow! See? Try again, try again. Try again. Uy. Try again, baby. Let's. Yung vibes ngayon dito sa festival is parang Christmas feels. Yung maraming nagpapaputok sa labas, tapos ngayon kailangan namin pumunta sa temple. Ang Christmas feels talaga. Let's go. Nasa labas na yung aking mag-ama.
Wrap me up in the winter's cold. Hang the lights in the mistletoe. Come around like the year before. While we savor the great and old. Got me just to make me feel at home. Just a simple wish to make me happy so that I can feel you close. Just one thing I'm asking for. Give me love, that's all I want. Unbox or in a bowl. Give me love, that's all I want.
Go!
I don't know what is that.
It's milkshake. May bibilhin lang kami dito Smart Bazaar, guys. Kasi doon maghapunan yung mga kasamahan ni Abhi sa trabaho. We are just waiting for Daddy. Kasi sa Daddy bumili ng chicken. Habang kami ni Mishka pumipila doon sa billing. Kasi pa-close na. Para hindi kami masyadong matagalan pag hinintay pa niya kami. Don't open it yet. Meron silang strawberry ngayon dito sa Smart Bazaar. Minsan lang to. Nakita ni Mishka, alam niya naman. Palagi ito naghahanap ng strawberry. Nasanay siya sa Bangalore na kahit saan mayroong strawberry. Daddy will come back. Daddy went to buy chicken. We'll cook chicken. I-haul natin habang naghihintay tayo kay Daddy. Ito yung pinamili namin, guys. Cake, pang dessert mamaya. Tapos pumili na lang kami ng ready to cook na parata. Dalawa yan. Kasi tatlo yung kaibigan ni Abhi na pupunta sa bahay. Mayroong isang tray ng egg, mustard oil, tapos ito, drinks para sa mga bisita. Tapos, ito guys, ano to? Ha?
It's a tree.
Yeah.
Anna
Anna is
is a
a princess. Yeah. Ito, mixture. Pang snacks ng mga boys. Tapos, bumili kaming masala. Ano lang naman to, sibuyas, saging, and ano pa nga yung isa, cucumber para sa salad. And dahil wala tayong bag, dito ko nilagay sa shawl. Para ganito lang siya. Tapos yung iba sa scooter na yan ilalagay. Just preparing chicken. Ito, imamarinate lang to, guys. Well, yung kasama ni Abhi, nagsha-chop ng onion. Tapos yung isa nakikipaglaro doon kay Mishka.
Okay, I will come. I'm chopping onions. You just go. Okay, I'm coming. But it is good cutting the onions in this.
Huh?
I like cutting onions in this.
How like Christmas feels in the Philippines, huh? Christmas feels. You celebrate Christmas Day, Surya?
No. We don't celebrate. Christmas vibes in India, I think only one place you can feel, that is Goa. Because
No, that is party.
no, Goans are Catholic. Because
Catholic, yes.
So they are Catholic, that's why. Party is also there. Okay, Christmas and New Year vibe, best is in Goa, party day also, but Christmas day also.
I had been there last week. See, last month, yes.
So, did you enjoy the tea?
Yes. I didn't get to go to the beach much because we had matches.
I know one thing. I don't know from where you will get, but you have to bring one thing.
One egg.
Huh?
What?
You have to bring one thing.
Okay.
Coriander leaf.
Coriander leaf. Okay, sir. Mami,
Wala kami coriander leaf.
Because in the smart bazaar it was not there. Otherwise I would have got it. I'm not using garlic paste. In my cooking, I prefer raw garlic. Raw garlic as in, I will peel it and then I will just crush it. Garlic paste. That peel. I will try to make Bihari style chicken.
Of year is your time for care, making new memories to share. I don't need a gift to know you got me, just to make me feel at home. Just a simple wish to make me happy, so that I can feel you close. Just one thing I'm asking for, give me love, that's all I want. Unbox or in a bowl, give me love, that's all I want.
Little slicing onion. Kailangan namin ng 1 kilo sibuyas kasi 2 kilo. 2 kilo san? 2 kilo yung chicken na nini-apply. Anyway, ilan ba sila? 4 sila. Tapos kami ni Mishka. And para sa amin ni Mishka, may ano
No,
na
you
kami.
go with skin. So here, peel the skin out. So maybe 300-400 grams skin would be there.
Meron kaming nilagang manok kanina. Yun yung sa amin. Pakainin ko din si Mishka. Ito yung mga boys. Malilate ito sa pagkain. Kasi alas 8 na. Ngayon pa kami magluluto. Kasi ano din to guys, wala sa plano. Yung hapunan dito sa bahay. Nandun na sa temple, saka pa lang sila nag-usap na dito kakain. So parang ano to ni Abhi, ito yung kanyang pre-Christmas celebration with friends. Kasi ako, meron din akong Christmas celebration coming soon. I'll feed Mishka first. Nag-start na si Abby magluto guys. So, 2 lutuan. Dito niya igigisa yung sibuyas, garlic kasi matagal yung pagisa niyan. And dito naman sa kabila yung chicken na minarinate niya na. Ito yung kanyang garlic. Ang ganda tingnan ng sibuyas. Imagine ganito kadami. Kahit meron siyang sakit guys, okay pa din yung pagkain niya. Basta sabaw lang. Gana pa din siyang kumain kahit papano. This time pala, iniba niya yung kanyang recipe. Nagdagdag siya ng tomato. 1 tomato you have added, Daddy.
One big and one small.
2 tomato. Sinimulan na namin gisahin yung chicken para combine na lang sila mamaya kasi matagal pa to eh. Para lumambot na ito, madali na lang yung pagluto. We can hear firecrackers and fireworks from our kitchen window. What are you going to do? We are going to light Mimi's firecrackers. Doon tayo sa baba. Dalhin natin to. Ito pa kasi yung niluluto namin. Diwali for Christmas and New Year. Diwali. Ipatayin muna natin siya. Go, Mishi.
Mishka, take
Hold. Hold.
Take it.
She's scared. Happy Diwali!
Slowly.
You want to hold?
Slow, slow. It's okay.
Yay! So big fountain.
Give me another one drop.
Yay! Good? You want to hold? No? Then, yeah, you can open that. Meron doon si Mishkang pop-pop eh. Do it? Yay! Come here, love. Come here, love. Through. Yay! Yay! Which one? No, you do that na. I'm scared. Huh? Fail?
Wait.
Is it? Maybe that one, center one, Daddy.
I think it's done. One more.
Which one? Yeah, that one.
Looks like yes.
Yay! Happy Diwali!
Let one hand.
Do it.
What?
Give me this one.
Aragay!
So your woolen dress, careful. You have woolen dress.
You throw it there. Happy Putri.
Happy Putri. Happy Putri, guys. It's not Happy Diwali. Yay. Hold, look. No. You're scared? She's scared. Come on. Come here. You're scared. Oh no, it's not complete. This is last one, huh?
One more is there. Fire it.
Our masala is done. Okay, what will exchange? Okay. Now, ayan na yung masala. Oh no.
Go down, Mama. Mom, Elif, go down.
Okay, which one?
This one. Mama.
Oh, okay. Let me wash first. Okay. But you have to wash your hands first, Mimi. You were holding firecrackers earlier. Wash it properly, ha?
Wrap me up in the winter's cold. Hang the lights in the mistletoe. Come around like the year before, while we savor the great indoors. I don't need a gift to know you got me, just to make me feel at home. Just a simple wish to make me happy, so that I can feel you close. Just one thing I'm asking for, give me love, that's all I want. Unboxed or in a bowl, give me love, that's all I want. Give me love, that's all I want.
Ito na yung last na parata na niluluto ko. Sila na pinanonood ng TV. And sila guys, apat sila, no? Nag-i-English sila. Apat sila sa iba't ibang state nang galing. So, yung lingwahe dun sa mga state nila magkaiba. So, yung ginagamit nilang lingwahe kapag nag-uusap sila is English. Diba? Kahit pareho silang mga Indians, hindi sila nagkakaintindihan sa isang lingwahe. So, nag-i-English sila. Ito na yung ating chicken curry. Yung salad, yung mga kasama ito na Abhi yung gumawa. Meron pa yung ano guys, design. May plating sila dyan. And then, dito naman yung ating parata. Ayan, ito na. Tapos, meron din kaming nilutong rice. Para after parata, magra-rice yan sila. And meron tayong pang dessert dito. Maya na natin to buksan. Ang sarap ng luto nito na Abhi guys.
Watch my video, like my video, bye.